Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit before about what arbitrage means. We have talked about physical products arbitrage in general, which are the options that we have, and we have talked about the fact that we will focus on leveraging online marketplaces in this particular class. So let's talk more about actually how we can leverage online marketplaces and which is the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to be able to do that. And it's quite a simple process, but you need to follow the steps so you can actually end up applying all the process and have listings, selling products, making sales, and then turning them into profits and so on. So the first step that you need to make obviously is to create your accounts on the online marketplaces you want to leverage. And I have some specifications here. There can be online marketplaces that are local marketplaces, for example in your country where you live, or there can be global marketplaces like Amazon or eBay or AliExpress and so on. I would recommend you to start with ebay.com because it's the best marketplace for arbitrage and dropshipping at a global level right now, okay? Not to mention the fact that you can actually access a very big database of consumers that they have in the United States, which is one of the countries where people spend the most in the world, okay? That's why it's a big advantage to start with eBay, because you have a huge marketplace with a very big database of consumers and with practically very good buying habits and a big buying power too, okay? Now, the second step would be that you need to create your eBay account and configure your seller account on ebay.com. You will have a seller account and I will show you exactly how to do that, okay? How your seller account should look like and how it should be configured. Then the first step would be the fact that that a lot of products you will list on eBay can be found and ordered on Amazon.com. And I recommend you to start with Amazon till you get some experience with the business model. So you will also need to create an Amazon account, okay? So practically the third step, if you want to call it so, is to create your buyer account on the other marketplaces from which you want to order your products and drop ship them directly to your client, okay? That would be the third step. Now the fourth step, or the fourth point, is to find other places where you can get your products from, okay? For example, if you are living in the United States, it would be very good if you would look for other online stores like homedepot.com, bestbuy.com, kmart.com, walmart.com, and so on. Why? Because you can find your products at better prices than on Amazon. And also on some of the stores that have loyalty programs, you can create your own account, you can create your own loyalty card, okay? And you can earn more money, okay? You can have a higher margin of profit because you are practically earning points for each order that you make. You can get special discounts for some products, and that can turn for you into an extra couple of $100 every single month, okay? Which are very good money, of course. Now, my recommendation and sixth point, okay, or sixth step from our process is to always look for new sources from where to buy the products, okay? You always find new online stores, new online marketplaces, look for new opportunities, okay? Maybe you can find a best-selling product that you have in a different place at a better price and you can increase your margin profits, or at a better loyalty program and other things like that, okay? So always be open to new opportunities, seek out these opportunities, and you will be able by doing so to increase your profit margin. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this lecture was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin.